Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering facts. Note PowerPoint version, build, and your operating system so you know what you're fixing. Save copies of any crashing presentations and back up custom templates or add-ins before changing settings. Close unrelated programs to free memory and confirm you have enough disk space. Low storage often causes instability. Once done, restart the machine to clear transient faults, and then reopen PowerPoint only. This isolates the app so the next steps target PowerPoint itself. You boot PowerPoint in safe mode to prevent add-ins from loading, then disable COM add-ins sequentially to identify a culprit. If a specific file crashes, use Open and Repair or extract slides into a new presentation to isolate corrupted content. Make sure Office and your graphics drivers are updated because rendering issues often cause crashes. If problems persist, run the built-in Office repair utility to fix corrupted program files. This combination addresses both file-level and application-level causes. You finish by creating a fresh user profile or performing a clean reinstall of Office when problems survive earlier efforts. This removes lingering configuration errors. Toggle hardware acceleration off to see if rendering stops the crashes, and test the file on another computer to separate file issues from system issues. Make sure to collect crash logs and steps to reproduce before contacting Microsoft support so they can help faster. One key tip: if crashes are intermittent, reproduce with minimal steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.